Hi, welcome back. This is Birva. Today we're gonna play with an app called IXL. It's a very fun math game, so you can download it. It's a wonderful app. It's a math app. I think I already told you that, but it's very fun really fun to play with. So let's play. So we're gonna go in math. Just gonna wait for this to load. Load. Okay, so now it's loaded. Now we're gonna find one thing to do. Let's try this one. Infiniting congruent shapes. So look at this shape. So see this shape? Do you know what it is? Yes, it's a rectangle. So we see rectangles everywhere. Like we see rectangles in a phone, rectangles at a door, rectangles at a chocolate bar, so many ways, or a book. So it says select all the shapes that are same to this one, like congruent means same. So let's see, is this a rectangle? Do you think it's a rectangle? Yes, it is a rectangle. So let's go on that. Is this a rectangle? Yes. Is this one? Yes. Or and last one, is this one also a rectangle too? Yes, they're all rectangles. So let's go to this bottom and click submit. We got 15 points. Wow. Look at this shape. Select all the shapes that are same to this one. Do you think this one is right? No, it's not. I think this is a octagon. I'm not sure, but I think it is. Is this a this is will this be a octagon? No. Is this an octagon? Yes, it is. This one? No, that's a square. So only one was correct. Let's see, look at this shape. This is a circle. Select all the shapes that are same to this one. So this is a circle. A circle is one, so it has to be correct. See? They're just different colors. Different colors doesn't matter. They just need to be the same shape, same size. That's what they need to see. This, I don't think so. This, yep, it is. This, no. Okay, so we found two circles. Oh, let's see this shape. We need to select the same shapes. No, the same. They are. Select all the shapes that are same to this one. This one is same, but do you think it is? No, because it has a different size. A size cannot. But I mostly think it won't. But let's see when we answer it. This. Yep, it is a rhombus. This is also a rhombus, and this is also a rhombus. Let's see if it's correct. Yes. So this won't be because it is a size. The size is also important to know. So it is a very small size. So if it's a small size, it won't be, it's not correct. So we're gonna select the same shapes. This one is, this one, no. This one, no. This one, no. I think it's no. Yeah, it's not. Let's click the submit button. It's correct. Now let's see um if there's any things that are same. This, I think so. This, I think so too. This, I also think so too. This, you think so. See, they're all the same size, but the colors are the same. This size is same. So you just, it's okay if there's another, if there's the colors are same. If you have any question, one sec, any question. If you play this game and you have this question, just remember the colors don't help you. They are just any color, but they might trick you because the colors are different and you might think that it's not correct because the colors. But just remember, if you remember what I say, that colors don't matter because, or your parents can help you too. So these are some. Okay, so we're gonna pause here. We're not gonna do it until 100 scores, but I hope you had fun. And please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.